Hello guys, you're welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to set up a React Native Expo SDK 51 project with TypeScript. So first of all, we have to create a folder here. Let's create our project folder here. I'm just going to name it demo2 because I already have another demo here, so I'm just going to name this one demo2. Then open up your terminal. You type cd desktop, that's to change directly to where your project folder is. Since our project folder is on our desktop, so we type cd desktop, enter. Then also in our desktop, we have to still move into that folder we created, which is demo. So we also type another cd command, cd demo2. The name of the project's folder we created was named demo2. So we type cd demo2, enter. So we are now in our project folder. So here is where we're going to set up our project inside this folder. So to do that, head over to your browser, then type docs.expo.dev. Oh, connection. So in here, what you have to do is copy this command here, this nps create expo at letters. You can click here to copy, and if you also type create a project here, you'll see it here, how to create a project, learn how to create a new Expo project. So you can click here to copy this command here. And also, one of the requirements in creating this Expo project is that you have a latest version of Node.js installed on your system, or the one that has this LTS in front. I think the long-term supports. So you have it installed. So if you don't have it, I have a video on my channel that explains how to install it. And if the one you have is outdated, I also have another video that explains how to uninstall the outdated one. I'm going to have those video link in the description of this video, so you can go there, check how to do it, and get it installed in your system. So after doing that, after installing this Node.js in your system, you just go straight to this place. You just copy this command here, click here to copy, and then go back to your terminal. Here inside this folder, this is our project folder demo2. Then you're just going to paste it here, Ctrl V to paste here, enter, and just allow it to do its thing. So as we wait for it, as we wait for the Create Expo app at latest to do its thing, please, if you're new here, if it's your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, which is the like, and then hit the notification bell to get notified each time we post another video. And also, let me know what you think in the comment section, in the comment box below, whatever. Okay, so we're just gonna type Y to continue, which is Y for yes to continue. Is asking us if create Expo app at whatever. So you just type in Y to give it a go ahead. So what is your app name? Is requesting for this app name. What name are we going to give our app? I'm going to use demo2 or dem2 app, whatever. Just you can use anything there. This is just for demonstration. So downloaded and extracted project files. If I'm trying to install some of the packages we'll be needing for the project. Sorry about this. Okay, so I'm supposed to type this cd To move to my app file, now this is my project folder's name. This is the name I gave to my project folder, and it's requesting that I move to my file, my project file, which is the dem2. But before I type this command, I'm just gonna open this in my VS Code, and to do that, type code, give a space, and then type dots. Click enter to open this in VS Code. I should just copy this. I think SDK 51 is trying to make app development easier, much easier, because most of the command we usually type in the previous SDKs is being taken care of by SDK 51, because we're supposed to type npm install, but now it's install everything on its own, and that's pretty cool. So these are the packages that was installed: the node packages, the node modules, and other packages, our files and other things. Now this is the tsconfig.json, and this is our package.json file. So here, since I'm using a physical device, because you either use an emulator, simulator, or a physical device, which can either be an iPhone or an Android. One of the requirements is that you have Expo Go app installed in your phone. If you're using an iPhone, you can get that from App Store, and if you're using an Android device, which I'm using, you can get that from Play Store. And just use nps expo start to start the project, and then scan the QR code which is going to display. So here we type nps expo start. Okay, there's a problem here. I didn't change directly to my app. I'm supposed to move to this dem2 before running this nps expo start. So that's why this error is coming up here. So I'm just going to do cd dem2, then npx expo start. Now starting Metro Bundler is now starting. Yeah, the Metro Bundler is ready. So all we have to do now is go over to our App Store or Google Play Store. Since I'm using an Android device, I'm just going to head over to Google Play Store on my phone. I already have it. I'm just showing you how to do it. In case you don't know how to use the Google Play Store, which I doubt, I know we all know how to use it, but let's just follow the due process. Go over to your Google Play Store, and please make sure you're connected to the same network, because the network won't work. So open up your Play Store, then search Expo Go app. See it here. So I already have it installed. Okay, it's asking me to update. I don't think I want to update now. Alright, let's just update. It's asking me to update. Then your own, if you're seeing it for the first time, your own might just ask you to install or to download or whatever. Just click on it and get it installed in your mobile device or an iPhone. But iPhone has to be from App Store. It's done updating. Just gonna install in my device. Just wait a bit. Alright, the installation is done. So once your own installation is done, just click here, this open beside the Expo Go app. Click on the open to just open it. If you already have it in your phone, on your mobile device, just click on it to open. It's pretty much the same process. So as we wait for this Expo Go app to do its thing, guys, please, and please. Okay. Is done, but I'm still going to finish up what I'm saying before we continue. Please, if you're new to this channel, if you're new here, please help your girl by hitting the subscribe button. What next? Give it a thumbs up. That's basically liking the video, and then let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have any question or whatever, you can always ask in the comment section. Alright, so just click on, once the app Expo Go app open, just click on this part here that says scan QR code. Click on it and then point to scan. Now it's bundling. If you watch here, you just see bundling. The Expo Go app is trying to bundle in your mobile device. So let's just wait for it to finish bundling. Alright, this is it. So it's it's done bundling. So this is the app on our mobile device. So this is a home page. It has the SDK 51 added the bottom tab navigator to their setup. And this part you're seeing here is the home page. If you look at this down part here, you see the home with the icon of home and the explore. So now this color you're seeing here is because we are currently on the home page. I'll be in the home page, whichever one you understand. So that's why you're seeing this color. If I tap on this explore here, it's moved to explore page. Yeah, then go back to our home page. So that's basically it. So what I'm going to do is to clear up this index.txx and just have something in here. So what you basically have to do is just delete anyone you don't need and have your own file here and start typing. So this index.txx, I'm just going to wipe everything here. Control A, delete. So you see, once you do anything here, it takes effect on our mobile device because they are connected. And one thing I forgot to mention is you have to make sure that you connect the same network. This screen doesn't exist. That was because I wiped everything just now. That's why you're seeing this screen doesn't exist here. So make sure you're connected to the same network, because if you use a different device to hotspot your system, it's not going to work. The physical device you're using must be connected in the same network with your laptop for it to work. Const. So to save our time, just come over to this Visual Studio Code extension. Let's install React's native snippet to make our boilerplate faster. To avoid typing everything from the scratch, then RNF. I don't know why this keep telling me it doesn't exist. React Native Function Components and Exports. I don't know. Just type RN. Maybe yours might work. I don't know what's happening to mine. RNFC. I already have it though. Sorry. RNFE. Then click on it to have your boilerplate here. And this is our boilerplate. If I want it to be the same thing here, I'll just change the name to home, because the previous one I wiped is having the name of home here. So let's just write home. You save. The screen still doesn't exist. Okay, just what you do is just open up your terminal and just type R to reload it. For the screen to show, you have to reload it. So I think it's okay now, but there's no style, so that's why you're not seeing anything. Let's do a little bit of styling. Alright, it's here now. Yeah, well, let's just type something here. So you can also add another screen if you want another screen to appear in your button tab here. So I just use the one they added, the home screen. I just wipe everything there. That's why you're still seeing home and explore tab, bottom tab. That's why you're still seeing just the two. But if I want to also add more tab there, I can also go to this layout and add them. So that would be a lecture for another day. Okay, so let's just give this home a little bit of styling. Inline, I'm going to use inline style for it. So give it a display place. Oh, sorry, this is not supposed to be display place. Display place is for React.js, not React Native. Okay, React. The difference is this is native. So here should be display one, and also in this oh, I'm so sorry about this. I'm so sorry. Place, not display. Place one, you see the red line automatically disappear because it's basically telling me that I'm making a mistake. That's what that red line means. Or sometimes we make mistake. You're using two different languages that are similar, so there is bound to be a mistake. So this is place, not display. And let's just align it, align items center. And in React.js, if you're giving a number value, it's going to have something attached to it, either px, em, rem, or whatever. but in React Native, there is no such thing. You just have one and one there. So this one now is going to be inside curly, inside the quotation mark, align items, center. So we have everything on the center of our screen, and then we have justify, and this is separated with comma, while React.js is separated with, what's that called? Whatever. So align items center, justify contents center as well. So let me just cut this like this, so you see what I'm doing. So that's basically it for this one here. Then maybe, okay, we should just, let's give it a color. I'm not going to use light gray. Background color of, let's use pink. So here we give it a font size. Let's give it a font size of 20. Okay, so I don't know why it's not showing now. So yeah,